Hello children. In this video you are going to learn the lesson Healthy Life from your 7th standard syllabus. Healthy Life is written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Let's get started. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. So that night, all the witches gathered in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. One day, a little boy found this bottle. Thinking it contained a nice new drink, he swallowed it fully. The germ like witches took advantage of this situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. In few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits, and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger, and wait for them at home. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels and restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. He did not feel like walking, running, and playing with his friends. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. Before long, he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked, and the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. It was a long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. There were no vaccines or cough mixtures to get rid of them. The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful, and happy life. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave that body as soon as they could, riding off on a sneeze. From then on, the best remedy was neither pills nor injections, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits and vegetables and to do some exercise. Whoever come to see Dr. Fit and Healthy and took his advice ended up totally well, being cured of the wasting life disease. Well, students, this is the lesson Healthy Life. Okay, now it's time to take leave. Bye. Bye bye, children.